Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the System Data SQL Client Library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. Before we begin the walkthrough for System Data SQL Client Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the System Data SQL Client Library, the foundational library for SQL Server connectivity in the .NET framework. It manages the localized TCP, IP handshake, and T-SQL command execution. If corrupted, all .NET applications connecting to SQL Server will fail, reporting Provider SQL Client not found. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The quickest way to restore functionality is a reinstall of Microsoft.NET. Download both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and run the installers to clear the error. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including System Data SQL Client Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for System Data SQL Client Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing System Data SQL Client Library dependencies. If your workstation is back online and System Data SQL Client Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.